Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the last lesson, lesson 19, weather, seasons and climate. Let's read. Some days are hot while others are cold. Sometimes it rains and at other times it is dry. These are called weather changes. Weather, as we have learned, is the condition of the air in a place at a particular time. It can change very fast. Sometimes we have similar weather for one or more months. This is called season. There are 5 seasons in a year: winter, spring, summer, the rainy season, and autumn. Winter. Winter is the coldest time of the year. December and January are the winter months. The sun shines, but it is not warm. Days are short and nights are long. There is snowfall in the mountains. In winter, we wear woolen clothes and enjoy drinking hot milk, tea, or coffee. We light fires or use room heaters to keep warm. On sunny days, we like to sit out or play outdoors. Some trees have no leaves in winter. Christmas and New Year are celebrated in the months of December and January. Schools in the hills close for winter holidays because it is very cold. Spring. After winter, there is a short season called spring. It begins to get warmer in the months of February and March. It is neither too hot nor too cold. In spring, plants begin to grow. Trees get new leaves and flowers. It is an ideal season for picnics. We celebrate Basant Panchami to welcome the spring season. Summer. Summer is the hottest season of the year. It begins in April and continues till June. The air is warm and dry. The days are long. People like to stay indoors in the afternoon. They use coolers, fans, and air conditioners to cool the air inside the house. They wear cotton clothes. In summer, we eat fruits like watermelons and mangoes. People also enjoy cold drinks like lemonade and fruit juice. They like swimming in summer. In uh, schools are closed for vacations. Some of us go to hill stations to stay away from the heat. Name a cooling drink you like to drink in summer. The rainy season. The land becomes very hot in summers in India. Hot winds blow over the sea and pick up water vapor. These winds then blow back towards the land. The water vapor cools down and falls down as rain in the months of July, August, and September. These are the rainy months. We call these rain bearing winds the monsoon. When it rains, we also see lightning in the sky and hear thunder. The monsoons bring a lot of rainwater, which is very good for our crops. Water seeps underground to refill wells. Some water is stored in tanks and lakes. We wear raincoats and use umbrellas to keep the rain away. Read what Meera wrote about a rainy day. It was a cloudy day. A flash of lightning was followed by thunder. First, a slight drizzle began. Then it began to rain heavily. The streets soon became flooded. People ran for shelter. Some opened their umbrellas, others wore raincoats and gumboots. Some stood under trees or buildings. There were puddles of dirty water. A few children splashed in the puddles. Soon the dark clouds moved away. When the sun came out, the trees, buildings, and grass had a freshly washed look. Now select the words from the box and fill in the blanks. On a rainy day, people run to take shelter under a dash or in some dash building or in some shed. People wear special rubber shoes called gum boots. We see pools of water, standing water, which we call puddles. We like to eat hot roasted maize or pakoras on a rainy day. Autumn. Autumn comes after the rainy season. October and November are the autumn months. The weather slowly starts getting cooler. Trees shed their leaves in autumn. This is a season of festivals. Durga Puja is celebrated in West Bengal. Dasara and Diwali are celebrated in different parts of the country. Autumn is followed by winter and the cycle continues. How seasons affect us? Our lives are deeply affected by seasons. The clothes we wear, the food we eat, and the activities we do change from season to season. We get different fruits and vegetables in different seasons. For example, in summer we get tomatoes, bottle gourd, and cucumbers. In winter we get cauliflowers, carrots, radishes, and spinach. Climate. If a place has similar weather for a long period of time, such as several years, it is known as the climate of the place. Different places have different climates. In the hills and mountains, the climate is cool and pleasant. This is why people go to the hills in summer. In the plains, the climate is hot in summers and cold in winters. Places near the sea have a climate which is neither very hot nor very cold. Deserts have a very hot or a very cold climate. Climate also has an effect on our lives. The houses we build depend on the climate of the place. Crops and plants are grown according to the climate of the place. Understood? This is the weather, seasons, and climate. Tomorrow we will see the exercise part of this lesson. Okay? Thank you.